Alright, here's the CYD version of this. There's really only two versions to choose from for these. It really depends on the screen. But as you can see, I have downloaded the firmware. Not going to bore you guys with that. And it is at the point where it says license required. Again, not very hard. It's going to pull up the device code. And then it's going to take you to this screen here, and it'll have your device code. You'll hit the PayPal activate. You'll go through those steps. I'm not going to show it for security reasons, but it's really easy. I promise. You got on a computer, you can do the PayPal activation. Here is what your computer screen is going to look like. You can see it's USB serial COM17. That's the one we are going to choose today. And then we are going to select a device over here in just a second. It's almost done downloading. It does take a minute, especially on a fresh device. Alright, you see I'm getting an error. That means that is the wrong type that I chose for it. So I'm going to pause and select the correct one. Okay, it is. I found the correct one. Sometimes it's going to take a few tries to make sure you get the right one. But as you can see, it says license not found in NVS, waiting for license from UART. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here. We're going to get license code. And as you can see, it's already got it in there. You can do those at a time and just pay one time, or you can do them all at once and pay just one time. But you're going to click on the PayPal Authenticate, and you're going to fill in your information. It's pretty straightforward. I'm not going to show it obviously for security reasons, but you're going to fill that in and you will get the code, and you will come back to here, and as you can see, it's probably a little hard, but it has the device code there. Then the license code, you will copy and paste it there, and then you will do activate the device. So once I've done all that, I will finish this video up. So I got my code after I paid through PayPal. I've got it copied, and we are going to go to license code. I copied it. Now I'm going to paste it, and then I'm going to activate the device. And there we go. It accepted the code. And now it is waiting for me to program it. There, I programmed it. And now, if you need info on how to program it, I've got other videos on that. And there we go. Public pull, as you can see right there. And it is hashing. And then let's go down to the device. And that is how you program the CYDs, and also how to program a non-NMMiner device.